What happens to your body during a 3-day dry fast? Shocking health benefits. Imagine going 72 hours with no food and no water. Sounds extreme, right? But here's the shocking part. Your body doesn't just survive it, it begins to transform. By day 3, your body shifts into a powerful state where it burns fat aggressively, cleans out damaged cells, and activates deep internal repair systems. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens inside your body, hour by hour, day by day, during a 3-day dry fast. And trust me, day 2 and day 3 are where things get really interesting. Dry fasting means no food and no water. So naturally, before we break it down, let's quickly understand what dry fasting really is. The question is, how does the body survive without water? Here's the key. Your body is not dependent only on external water. It can actually produce its own water internally, called metabolic water, by breaking down fat. That means the moment you stop eating and drinking, your body switches from external supply to internal survival mode, and that's where the transformation begins. Let's go step by step. Day 1, the shock phase. The first 24 hours are what I call the adjustment phase. Your body is confused. It's asking, where is the food? Where is the water? So what does it do? It goes to its backup system. Glycogen burning begins. Your body starts by burning glycogen, stored sugar in your liver and muscles. This is your quick energy reserve. But here's the catch. Glycogen doesn't last long. Within hours, those stores begin to drop. Hunger signals spike. This is when you feel hunger waves, cravings, irritability. That's your hormone ghrelin rising. But here's something most people don't know. Hunger comes in waves, not continuously. If you ride it out, it passes. Early fat burning starts. As glycogen drops, your body begins to slowly tap into fat reserves. It's not full fat burning yet, but the switch has started. Dehydration signals begin. Since you're not drinking water, your body becomes more efficient. It starts conserving fluids, less urination, reduced sweating, and begins preparing to create internal water from fat metabolism. Key takeaway, day 1 is not about transformation. It's about transition. Your body is moving from sugar burning mode to fat burning mode. Day 2, the fat burning engine activates. This is where things shift dramatically. By now, glycogen is mostly depleted. So your body makes a powerful decision. We burn fat now. Deep ketosis begins. Your body enters ketosis. Fat is broken down into ketones, which become your new fuel. And here's what people experience: more stable energy, reduced hunger, clearer thinking. Yes, even without food or water, internal water production increases. Now this is fascinating. As fat breaks down, it produces energy and water. That means your body is literally hydrating itself internally. This is one of the unique aspects of dry fasting. Inflammation drops. Your body begins to reduce swelling, internal stress, inflammatory responses. Why? Because it's no longer constantly digesting food. It shifts into repair mode. Autophagy turns on. This is one of the most powerful processes. Autophagy is when your body breaks down damaged cells, recycles them, and cleans itself from the inside. Think of it like cellular detox. Your body is literally removing what it no longer needs. Immune system recalibration. Your immune system begins to reset, eliminate weak or damaged cells, strengthen defense mechanisms. Key takeaway, day 2, this is the transformation phase. Your body is now burning fat efficiently, producing internal water, cleaning itself deeply. This is where many of the dry fasting benefits begin to show. Day 3, the full body reset. Now we enter the most powerful phase. By day 3, your body is no longer adapting. It is now fully optimized for survival and repair. Peak fat burning. Fat metabolism is now at its highest level. Your body is using fat as primary fuel, producing consistent energy, maintaining internal balance. Maximum autophagy. Cellular cleanup reaches a deeper level. Your body prioritizes removing damaged cells, breaking down toxins, recycling cellular waste. This is what many refer to as a deep detox state. Healing mode activated. Your body shifts from survival to repair and regeneration. Early signals of cell renewal begin. Mental clarity and focus. Many people report sharp mental clarity, deep focus, calmness. Why? Because your brain is running on ketones, which are a very clean fuel source. Physical sensations. You may notice lighter body feeling, reduced bloating, increased stillness or calm. Key takeaway, day 3, this is the reset phase. Your body is repairing, rebalancing, rejuvenating. Timeline recap. Let's simplify everything. Day 1, glycogen depletion, hunger signals, transition begins. Day 2, fat burning increases, autophagy starts, internal hydration begins. Day 3, deep detox, cellular repair, full body reset. So when people talk about 72-hour fasting benefits, this is what they mean. Warning safety segment. Now, it's important to be clear. Dry fasting is powerful, but it's not something you jump into unprepared. Beginners should start slowly. Always listen to your body. Not suitable for certain medical conditions. This is about understanding your body, not forcing it. CTA close. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try a 3-day dry fast? Or have you already experienced it? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to learn how to start dry fasting safely step by step, watch the next video on your screen right now. Because doing it the right way makes all the difference.